Right, as I said, on my way again now. Just been chatting to a nice chat for about 20 minutes. So onwards and upwards again. Yeah, up towards Walshaw, Dean Reservoirs, and then hopefully coming out down there where you can see now. But I'm sure you can see maybe some of the purple on it. That'll be like a chick heaven at the moment, so wouldn't want to be wandering through that today. Do you know what that there reminds me of, Lynn? Dog soldiers. Dog soldiers. Yeah, loving it. Dog soldiers. Dog soldiers. Right, that way that van's going. That's the way I came down the other week, and repeating myself, this is the way that I went the other week down this road at Purple Heather on hill. Right, just take a picture of it. Little picture leading up that hill. That's the way that I went when I went down to Walshaw, and as I keep saying, up White Hill and over the tops. And then this bit here is new to me now. I think there's some rock faces on the right hand side as we go further down, and then I think there's a path back up to the zigzag bit road, if anybody knows, coming over here, and then we cross that and we go start then heading up towards Lower Gopal Reservoir. So I think I've fetched my midge net, but it's probably right at the back of my bag at bottom. Yeah, not sure whether you can see there, but that's the cattle grid over, and then just to the side of it there's the proper bridge, and then you just slowly walk, follow the fence line up there, and that again, like I said, takes you to Walshaw. And from that height there, this is where I saw this path. So same thing, I went back, checked it out, and here we are on it. No, I'm not sure what these are for. I've seen quite a few of them about. It must be for protecting something underneath there. I'm not going to lift it up. Right, bring you back when I find something interesting. Right, I think this wall needs a medic. There it is, gorse or heather. I think it's gorse, isn't it? That. Come back clouds. Come back wind. Seems to be a few flies accumulating. I do have some spray that really I should have put on.
Hey, pop it! Come on.
Isn't it? This is a different bit. Not sure where it goes. Obviously it takes you down to the river. Have a look see, but I'm not sure I'm going to go all the way down. Another walk. I'll look in and see where that goes. But today I'm going to stick to my plan. But yeah, this is nice down here, and there's a bit of wind here to the road. Well, that didn't take as long as I thought it were going to do. But yeah, that's where I've come from, just down there. Up there, lad. Right. Map says up there, lad. Out to there. Bit of an incline. I've been down here a few times. On way to, I think we did it when we went to a walk at our Castle Crags. Oh man, fitter than me, Gungadin, fitter than me. Not sure last time somebody were on here. Let's see how far we can get. And if we turn around, we'll turn around. Watch me footings here a bit rocky. You must be mad, Derek. You must be mad. Bloody head out, some of these. Right, carry on. See, it is a faint path, but it is a path. Glad I wear my leggings now. Like I said, they're at least shoulder height. One of these. I think it'd be bollocks if you went down here. Maybe this wasn't a good plan. Erin down there, I think. Keep checking my arms. Tick check again. Really, should have got the bloody spray out. Maybe. Should have gone and have a look. Aye. Let's have a look up here. Up there. And that's where I'm going. You probably won't see anybody else on this bit. Keep the eye out where you're walking on this. Very long glass. Right. Back out in Ormond again. I believe this section of stones, the long top here, is called Scout Stones. Maybe Scouts used to live here. You're a dick. Oh, on this wall, have a drink as well. Right, it's 10 to 2. Carry on. See if we can get through all this, these ferns. Too heavy again. Right, yeah, so I've just had a brew, just gonna, what the bloody hell with that then, that fucking horsefly, I hope not. Right, that's me, I'm out of here. You can hate horseflies. I didn't think I'd see anybody on here today. It is, it's grand, yeah. I'd put my little drone up and do a circular, but I think it's a bit windy. Yeah. Wouldn't like to fall off there, Derek. Wouldn't like to fall off there. Poison fills my mind. Poison fills my mind. Right, let's have a look at map. Wait, shit. Right, come on, I don't want to disturb you. Okay, sheep. It's okay.
Come back to life. Hey, everything that keeps
Don't know whether you can see it or not, but it looks like there's a track there, which is where I'll zigzag back down to, I think, and then go up that. Probably.
All I have left is this screaming cry.
Hold on. But yeah, again, another view back. That's where I've come from. That's a nice picture. That is. Sun's back out. Again, I'm not sure whether you can see there, but that's the Packhorse pub. I think there is a path that goes straight up to there from here. So from the road, just a bit further up to the pub, you can come down here and walk down this path. You can also walk up there, which is
All I feel inside is poison, poison. All that's left inside is poison.
You come in. Come on. Oh, somebody's put googly eyes on it. Well, it's just like a standoff. Come on, slowly. Slowly. That's it. That's it. Right, so we've got two. Here now, the sheep's there looking at me with shit eye.
Poison, poison. Poison, poison.
I think we'll go up across the fields, maybe 2 fields. Past that house, there's the track. Let's see what there is. Yeah. So I've come from along top of that ridge you can see there. Take a breath again. 50 yards up from bridge. There's I'm puffing and panting. Right, bring you back. Oh. I have also been up there, which is a decentish walk up to Reeps Cross. Up that. Right, just leaving end of here. But I'm ready to sit down and have a brew. I think that's tea room for Waterboard. Sure, where them telegraph poles are, that's where I walked up. It's not a well, I know it is, it's a track from memory. Yeah. Memory. I think. Sit on this wall here. I remember hiding behind that gate there with that bad weather, with that crappy. Then I ended up hiding behind that while I got all my gear on. Here we go. Right, like I said earlier, had something to eat now, so right, bring you back in a bit. So there we are, Pennine Bridleway, Jack Bridge 4 mile, Bridleway Widdop 1 1/4. But yeah, a good walk, different. And I've also found another walk that I can do. Walking down here now, it just reminds me of that film Gladiators, you know, where Russell Crowe is walking through that field, you know, overlooking down to his land. It's not funny, you know. Right, not far from Van now, maybe 400 yards. It's been a good walk, as I've said earlier. I'd do it again. There is a couple more walks I've seen today on this, which I might do. I do have a wild camp planned I were thinking of doing it maybe Sunday or Monday. Up Lad Low again. I haven't done it one there for about 3 years.
When the lights are down, I'll have you know
Right, back of the van now, so I'm going to call that a do.
that it's all
Which one? Gopal Reservoir, half a mile. So yeah, that's the way that I went up and started this walk, as I said. And this is just where I've come through now. So yeah, full circle, so they say. Right, man's here, so I'm gonna go and get myself sorted.